Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to elevate the look and functionality of your Galaxy Watch Ultra or your Pixel Watch 3, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the Wowband, the ultimate accessory that transforms your smartwatch experience. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about what exactly the Wowband is. Designed with both style and durability in mind, the Wowband is a premium, customizable strap that works perfectly with the Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Pixel Watch 3. Whether you're a fashion-forward trendsetter or just someone who wants a comfortable yet stylish strap, the Wowband offers an upgrade that's hard to beat. The installation is simple. Just click it in place and you're ready to go. One of the standout features of the Wowband is its high-quality materials. It's crafted from a top-grain cowhide leather that's been specially softened to suit any adventure or formal event, while providing exceptional comfort and breathability and a premium magnetic stainless steel clasp. The top-grain leather feels comfortable on your wrist all day, whether you're out walking the dog or just going about your day. It's not just about comfort. The Wowband looks great too, with multiple color options and a sleek design that gives your Galaxy Watch Ultra or your Pixel Watch 3 a more refined, casual, or even luxury look. You can go with something bold and vibrant or keep it sleek with classic black or brown. Just look at the difference. The stock bands on smartwatches are fine, but they don't really make a statement. With the Wowband, you're upgrading your watch to a whole new level. And it's not just for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. The Wowband is also compatible with the Pixel Watch 3, making it a perfect option for users of both Google's and Samsung's latest smartwatches. Another awesome feature is the adjustable clasp. Whether you have a smaller wrist or prefer a looser fit, the Wowband allows you to easily customize the length, ensuring comfort all day long. And isn't just about style. It's made for the active user. Whether you're going out for a night on the town or just strolling through the park, the Wowband stays secure and feels great on your wrist, no matter the activity. From work to play and everything in between, the Wowband seamlessly transitions with you. Its versatile design and durable materials make it perfect for nearly any occasion. If you're ready to give your Galaxy Watch Ultra or Pixel Watch 3 the upgrade it deserves, check out the Wowband. Links are in the description below, so be sure to grab yours today. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and let us know in the comments, would you switch to the Wowband for your smartwatch? I'll catch you in the next one.